Welcome to week 29 of Where Am I Investing? Over the last 28 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Since I invested in these funds, Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 9%, Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 2%, HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 10%, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 9%. My overall portfolio is down 1% with a CAGR of negative 2%. For context, Sensex is down 0.31% since I started this journey on October 14th, 2024. So, what did I do this week? Despite the volatility, I have decided to invest again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund, and I have kept the investment amount exactly the same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I have invested 1000 rupees again this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because by continuing with Bandhan Small Cap Fund at this stage, I am betting on long term compounding while averaging out my cost over time. If you are enjoying this real time investing journey, smash that like button, drop a comment, share this video with someone who's learning to invest, and subscribe to follow this journey every single week. Thanks for tuning into week 29 of Where Am I Investing? I hope to see you again next week. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This channel documents my personal investment journey and is meant purely for informational and entertainment purposes. Please do your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any financial decisions.